Hi guys, it's Ron. Take tips, take stuff. How's it going? Today I want to show you how to find the new fonts in Vegas Pro 18. Now if you're a new viewer, please subscribe for more tutorials on Vegas Pro 18. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. You're like my best friends. Okay, so here is the path to find the new fonts in Vegas Pro 18. Now in my opinion, they didn't make it easy. You have to follow this path. I'll put the path in the description box below to find the actual fonts. But to view them, what you have to do is right click, say preview, and give a preview of the font. So these are all the new fonts in Vegas Pro. Let's check out some of the other ones here. Julietta. Preview this one. Trying to get a cool one here. Strawberry Blossom. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, let's try this one here. So Strawberry Blossom. Let's go back to Vegas. So to find them, go to Media Generators. See titles and text. Just delete this one here. And drag it over top of your video. Highlight it. It's like the, what the heck was I talking about here? Strawberry Blossom. Okay, Strawberry Blossom. So let's type S. Let's narrow it down here to Strawberry Blossom. Where are you? Right there. So that's a new font. Let's scale it up a bit. So basically that's how you find new fonts in Vegas Pro 18. In my opinion, they should have made it easier to find them. Like have a little star beside saying a little star or saying new. But this is how you have to find the new fonts in Vegas Pro 18. So it's going to take a little bit of work on your part to find them. But they're there if you want to use the new fonts. If you guys found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.